is Mount Washington. We are up hill. And down there, kita niyo mo ng Pittsburgh. Mount River Stadium, Inday, ang kuan, ang bridge na yan. Di ba, Inday?
That one?
Oo.
That used to be the Heinz Field. Now it's Acrisure Stadium. So it's not Three Rivers. Over there is the Rivers Casino.
Enjoy the view, guys. I'm sharing you the views. This is Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania, the state of Pennsylvania. Kuyaw ikahangin Inday, murag gumadaan ning kuan railing atong gi. Wow. My first time I'm up here Inday.
That's a shock. It's actually really a shock.
Yeah.
That's the soccer field. It's our soccer field.
Down there.
Yeah.
Hadlo ko mo pa doon.
Here.
Hadlo ko pa doon.
It's fine. Look, you can see the stage there.
Tanaw ko silang kuyo kaayo kong tiil ni Kurog. Agoy. Og singkuling.
That's the baseball stadium.
Okay. Baseball, where is the stadium for football Inday? This one. Okay.
The yellow one.
That one, the yellow one. Okay. Steelers. That's Pittsburgh. Here in Pittsburgh, the company of Heinz Ketchup, right Inday? The owner, the company here in Pittsburgh. Then let's turn around.